Well, tonight I'm back in my little father-son little eatery where I eat, and there's the cook and the father-son. Give you an idea. This is an idea of where we eat. Now, whenever you have the soup, that little soup there, you use the spoon and the chopsticks. Hold on to this, my friend. Hold it like this. Hold it. No, watch. So this is the way you do it. You see, you get the chopsticks. Right there. So you use the little spoon, you use the spoon and the chopsticks, and you get some of the noodles like this. You lift it up. You see how the spoon is under there? This is noodles and meat, by the way. And you get your face close to the bowl, and you go like this. That's the way you do it. Spoon and chopsticks combination. See you later.